When you'd like to mount conduit on the side edge of a beam, call on Garvin Industries spring steel beam clamp along with the spring steel conduit hanger that snaps closed. To install this product is quite simple. You align the jaw of the beam clamp either above or below, whichever allows you to more easily set the screw by using a wrench or a screwdriver. I'm going to use a screw gun with this application. You simply align it with the screw and tighten it down. It bites securely on the beam. You then take your conduit and set it into place and simply snap the conduit hanger closed until it latches, and you now have your conduit supported within the structure. What's unique about Garvin Industries is that it's riveted so you can turn it if you would like it to fit more securely, perpendicular or parallel to the beam. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.